This is Mahmoud Hassan Meras. Welcome to another exercise of SolidWorks. Today we will see how to solve this problem. Here we can see this. This is the isometric view. First we will try to draw from the top view. Let's select the top plane. Here we have dimension of 24 and 11. Let's draw a rectangle of 24 by 11. Here we can see a radius of 8 circle. Let's draw it and draw the tangent line. This is our circle, dimension 8, diameter 18 to 2, 16. And it is distant from 15.84 plus 5.16. 15.84 plus 5.16. Now draw the tangent line. We can see there is two small circles. One is 7.14 diameter and another is 4.76 diameter. Let's first draw 7.14 diameter circle. 7.14. Now 4.76 diameter circle. We can see the 4.76 diameter circle is 15.84 distance. Okay, let's trim all the unnecessary part. Now we have the perfect inner shape. We can see it has one unit extrude. Let's go to features, extrude, and select 1 millimeter. Now try to draw this shape, then we will extrude this shape to get the desired shape. It is 21 unit from the base. Now select the front plane. Now we will draw this semicircle. we can see this vertical line is 16 unit from the base. Now dimension it. To close the boundary, we will use offset. Take 1 millimeter offset, select the chain and cap in and line. Now select 24. As the sketch is from mid plane, so select mid plane. Now we have to draw this extrude cut. This rectangle has 12 by 10 dimension. Okay, let's draw it. Select center rectangle, try to place it near the origin, then give the dimension. It is 6 unit from the base. Now select dimension, give 6 unit. Okay. Now go to features panel and use extrude cut. We can see there is a little fillet here and there. Let's fillet it. Use fillet. I will select 2 here. Okay, let's see. There is a radius fillet of 2 in this corner. Now you can go to feature, select 2 and select the desired line. Now our exercise is finished. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.